Morning gamers, tonight we're gonna draw the ultimate renegade. The Mega Man antagonist, Sigma. I know he's one of Mega Man's enemies, but it looks like he's been through a lot of mechanicalization that caused him this way. Looks like some of that wiring must have got caught all on his on the back of his skull. Poor guy. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Mission completed, come on everyone. Villains defeated and they're on the run.
Alexa, play it again. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Yeah. Ever noticed this? If Sigma fought against the PJ Masks, it'd be the most ridiculous fight ever. Here's his spiky fist. Got it resharpened. Ultra-destructive Sigma has arrived. got a thermos on his back.
No one can beat this unstoppable team. We save the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray! We went into the night and we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on, everybody, jump up and shout hooray! When we work together, we always win. We got each other. We're thick and thin. When the day is over and the team's all here, let the celebration start and give a cheer. To save the day
Belt.
and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray! We went into the night and we saved
Complete! You finally drew Sigma. Man, that's awesome. Finally got it completed. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Alexa, what is Bronto-Scorpio?
Brontoscopy is usually defined as divination by thunder.
Alexa, what is a light bulb?
According to Wikipedia, an electric light is a device that produces visible light from electric power. It is the most common form of artificial
You know what, screw that.
lighting and is essential to modern